We all start off the school year with the best of intentions, but somewhere along the way, the law of entropy kicks in and things start to slip. It's just natural. But that's why we've created the 5-day classroom management tune-up to help you reduce some of those distractions and to restore your students' focus. These are easy tweaks that you can implement right away with very little prep or planning. Here's what we're going to learn. On day 1, we're going to shore up your procedures. In particular, the ones that students either aren't following anymore or that simply aren't working well. Day 2, we're going to tackle transitions and the start of class, 2 areas that tend to be chaotic, and we're going to restore some order. On day 3, we're going to rein in the talking. Day 4, we're going to head off arguments with a simple strategy that isn't really a strategy at all. It's simply showing genuine empathy. And on day 5, you're going to learn how to build relationships with your most challenging students in a way that doesn't take too much time, but is meaningful and impactful. I think by the end of the week, you'll discover that your classroom is less chaotic, your students are more focused, and you're just a little bit happier to be there. I can't wait to see you inside the 5-day classroom management tune-up.